Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you change the format of images on your iPhone. If you want to capture photos in JPEG format instead of HEIC on your iPhone, follow these steps. First of all, open settings of your iPhone. Now scroll down until you find the camera option and then tap on it. Here go to formats and you will see two options: high efficiency and most compatible. High efficiency is default setting and capture photos in HEIC format, which is more efficient in terms of storage space but not as widely supported as JPEG. Most compatible. This option captures photos in JPEG format, which is compatible with a wider range of devices and software. So to capture photos in JPEG format, tap on most compatible. Now confirm the change and you can exit the settings. And now your iPhone will take images in JPEG format. So this is how you can change the format of images on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.